Do you see your bass clef? And the second space is C in the bass. Do you see it? Bass C and baby steps going up to middle C. I want you to be able to play this, but you're gonna have to do something super tricky. You're gonna have to learn to pop your bubble. All right, so watch my hand super close to see how I pop the bubble, okay? So first, my left hand is in C position. All right, now I'm gonna start with my 5 finger and go baby steps up and watch what happens. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am out of fingers. So watch what I have to do. I have to use my 3rd finger. And does this look like a bubble hand? Nope. So I'm pop, and I gotta make a new bubble. Watch again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop with my 3rd finger and make a new bubble and finish it up. I want you to try now. So put your 5 finger on bass C and play baby steps going up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What finger do we use? Our 3rd finger. 3. And then make a new bubble. 2, 1. Oh, very good. Let's try it one more time. This can get really tricky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what finger do we use? 3, 2, 1. Very good. Parents, if you want to take a turn, go ahead and take a turn and have your child look at your fingers, especially if they're having a hard time popping the bubble. And this will go really slow this week. Don't try to play it fast. We want to make sure we get the right fingers to finish up our scale. Super!